In the heart of West Africa, in the 13th century, lay the magnificent kingdom of Mali, a realm of gold, glory, and grandeur. Mali, under the reign of Mansa Musa, the ruler of the Mali Empire, was a beacon of prosperity and wealth in the vast expanse of the African continent. Mansa Musa, a man of wisdom and vision, expanded Mali's territories, incorporating vast lands, from the shores of the Senegal River to the Niger, and beyond. Mansa Musa's rule was marked by significant advancements in trade, culture, and religion. The kingdom thrived on the trans-Saharan trade route, becoming the primary hub for the exchange of gold, salt, and ivory. However, the kingdom's prosperity was not without its challenges. The Hajj pilgrimage undertaken by Mansa Musa in 1324, aimed at demonstrating Mali's power and wealth, drained the kingdom's resources, setting the stage for its eventual decline. The depletion of resources, coupled with internal power struggles, led to a weakened Mali. The kingdom faced invasions from the Songhai and the Tuaregs, leading to a power vacuum that was soon filled by the Songhai Empire. The fall of Mali was a tragic end to a once great empire. However, its legacy lived on. The Kingdom of Mali left behind a rich cultural heritage, its influence felt in the arts, religion, and trade of West Africa even today. In the annals of history, the Kingdom of Mali stands as a testament to the power of a visionary leader, the resilience of a people, and the enduring spirit of an African empire. The story of Mali serves as a reminder of the rise and fall of empires, a tale of ambition and sacrifice, of glory and despair, and of the indomitable spirit of humanity that perseveres, even in the face of adversity.